Hey guys, it's me again, Barry, with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair, and this time we're demonstrating a pretty cool looking unit. This is made by Olympic. It's an AM-FM 8-track receiver, obviously, and it was sent in for a new motor. A customer tried to fix the motor and didn't work out for him. This is for Pierre in Warren, Michigan, and we're here to give it a quick test before we send her back. So let's turn it on. I think I have it set to the radio at the moment. Alrighty, let's go ahead and switch it to tape and pop in some Neil Sedaka as usual. Alright, check both, make sure we got both speakers. Okay. Okay, gonna change tracks a bunch of times. Okay, that dropout's my fault. We'll come back to a better spot on that. It's about time to change my test tape. Okay, we're at the end of a song here, so we'll just wait for the next one to start.
If you're feeling low down, 'cause your baby let her down, here's where I'll touch you in your ear. I go ape go on out and have fun, put the blues on the run. You'll find boy to love.
Alrighty. That takes care of that. She's ready to go back, and once again, I do not recommend ever using fast forward on an 8-track tape, and I in fact did not re-enable the fast forward feature on this receiver because I don't want you guys to ruin all your tapes. That's what's going to happen if you use fast forward these days. So I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair, and you can reach me for service at 928-533-9666. My website's in the description below. Thanks so much for watching and listening. Thank you, Pierre, for your business clear from Warren, Michigan, and we'll see you guys next time. Happy Friday.